Hello guys, Hatem Ali from Projection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the iPhone Max 512GB gold color dual SIM card. Okay, let me focus about the point. Here actually I bought him from unknown source. That's why I had to check him, you got me? I check him in a store, how looks like, how's work, how's not work. Guys, as you see here, there is nothing acknowledged in the phone. Same everything, same speaker, same everything. Just about the gigahertz. This is gold color. Sure, I order a gold color. You got me. I order a gold color, and it's as you see, nice and beautiful and everything. What I want to tell you here, I want to explain for you so important point about the dual SIM card. Look, the dual SIM card, 500 giga, the dual SIM card, there is two kinds of dual SIM card, okay? There is eSIM card, the second SIM card is eSIM card, which is mean electronic SIM card. And there is this one, normal. Look, for America and Canada, they create for them the other one, the American Canadian version dual SIM card. Be careful when you order dual SIM card that there's the American one or a Canadian, and also I guess British. The second SIM card is eSIM card. Also in Europe they have electronic SIM card. But here in Ukraine we don't have this technology yet. We don't have eSIM card. We have normal. For example, like Arab countries, like Asia, like Soviet nation countries, all the styrofoam countries, they don't have electronic SIM card. The second SIM card is normal SIM card. So this is a normal SIM card. You got me? This is two normal SIM cards, micro SIM, two normal micro SIM. I test them. They are nice. You can use this SIM card. You can use this SIM card. The phone is okay, and just my point about to explain for you. There is versions created for America and Canada and UK and like this in Europe, and there is version created dual SIM card E and dual eSIM second one, and there is another version created dual SIM card but normal SIM cards, which is mean you can put any companies normal. Okay, I'm gonna stop the. I have to create Apple account and like this. I mean iCloud and this shit. And then I will make another video for you. I'll show you how it work the two SIM cards. Because I have already my iPhone normal SIM card, I already put my iCloud. So now I have to do another one. So anyway, thanks for watching. And if you have any comment, write down below, and don't forget to subscribe and put your thumbs down. And I already explained you guys. If you have any question about the dual SIM card or something, I explain you everything. If you have any question, write me down and comment below. I answer comments. I'm not upstar man. Peace and love for everyone.